Hi, I'm Peter Haddock and I'm here at Bauma, and I've got a grading moment from a business that I normally associate with trucks, folks. This is the brand new Bell grader, and I've got to find out all about it. It is literally going straight from here, Bauma, unbelievably, to Australia, where the first customer is going to be testing it out. But come on, let's talk about it. So I'm joined by Jeremiah, and this is the G140. Jeremiah, just been in the cab. Looks really spacious. So what have we got here? First of all, let's talk about the power of this machine. So what can it do?
Yeah, so the machine here that you got, we have, it runs 179 kilowatts of power.
Yep.
It's run from Cummins engines, QS 6.8. And then the transmission, we're running the ZF 6WG210.
Fantastic. So it gives it all the power that you need.
All the power you need.
The blade is so important, and we are here right next to it.
Yeah.
Grading capability, what can we see there, and where would we typically be able to use this?
Okay, so this is a 14-foot blade that we're running on the machine. It's coupled on our slew ring, which you will find that most of the people sell as an option. But with us, we're giving it as a standard.
Okay, right.
Less maintenance. You're only doing the greasing at 500 hours.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then we don't have the insets that everybody has to change at about 350 hours.
Right.
Which is very costly to the customer. So when we designed this area here, we had the customer in mind. Yeah. When you're looking at the bottom here, there is the adjustment there. So for their blade movement, you can easily adjust it without having to remove the shims. So it makes it easy for maintenance for the operators.
Thing about this, folks, is graders are used and they need to be used all the time. So maintenance and uptime is really important. So you're cutting out things like that people forget to do. That leads to damage to the machine and downtime. So that's really, really interesting. Come on, you've got to go to the front, folks. Come on, let's have a look at the front.
Yeah, let's have a look here. Here on our draft frame, first thing before I talk about the draft frame, what we've designed there is when you're sitting in the cab, we want you to have a good visibility of the blade, the draft frame. We designed that in mind. And then when we came to the draft frame here, it's a 2-position draft frame.
Right.
Which is a new thing as well. That
why does that matter?
So that when you're changing the size of the tires, if the tires are big, then you move your draft frame down so that it's always level when you're grading. You get your precision. Otherwise, if you don't change the position of the draft frame, then you have an angle, which is going to get damaged. It's not good for grading. Yeah. And then you can see in the front here, all the parts here were beefed up. Yeah, to give you more durability. Yeah.
So this is all about actually the strength, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're talking about here. This is what I'm sensing with this big piece of equipment. So we can see the visibility. Other things that are really important, and I'm noticing them a little bit here, lighting.
Yes. We get our lighting. Lighting is very important when you're grading. When you want to grade late in the afternoon and all that, you want to see properly. So on the front there, we have 4 lightings, working lights. We have our grading lights. We've got one here and then down at the bottom. Because you always want to see your blade. You want to see where you're going. Yeah.
And so that's why I noticed them all the way around. Yeah. Equally, when we're talking about the way in which graders are used, we're talking about rough applications. So, I noticed the blade as well. It looks like it's pretty strong. And that, when you're grading in different environments and haul roads in particular, that's again important, isn't it?
Yeah. So on our blade here, we're using a 14-foot blade. This one here for the G140. When you're going to the G200, which is the biggest machine, we're using a 16-foot blade. And then,
right, so you've got 2 in the range.
Yeah, we got a 200. So we got a 140 as the lower one, and then we got the middle one, which is the 160. And then we got a 200 on the top.
Fantastic. So 3 different grades. So we've got all of this, the big visibility in the cab, connected as well, so that you engineers can make sure all the data's there for the customer?
Yeah, we have a Fleetmatic system.
Yeah,
which is our telematics that we've been having for years. We refined it and it's working well. So everybody, as a customer, will be able to see and get the data on their machine, which is very good. And then also the grading systems. We're working with a lot of different grading systems.
So 3D grading, 3D
yeah,
machine
3D
control,
grading.
the likes of Leica J systems,
Yeah,
for example.
cross slopes and all that. Yeah. So that will be available on the machine. But you know, we as Bell, we are an agnostic company.
Yep.
So we're always open to the customer to be able to use whichever grading system that they prefer on their site.
And I'm sure that in the future, folks, you're already talking about autonomy on trucks. I've seen that happening. Who knows, folks? You could get a new grader on autonomous mode in the future. So that's it from me from Bauma.
All right,
Thanks
thank you very much.
Cheers.
Thank you. Cheers, man.